Vic with the Bagger Blog, and welcome to episode 4 of the FXRP build. In today's episode, we're going to be installing some triple trees by the Speed Merchant. They're 39mm speed triple trees. We're also going to be installing some Lucky Dave's San Diego bars with Joker machine and V-twin manufacturing controls, and then we'll be putting on our fork legs. And the fork legs have progressive suspension springs. They have the Speed Merchant's 39mm preload adjusters. And then everything you see here is actually been powder coated by a North County powder coating in San Marcos, California. So without further ado, let's go ahead and install these speed triple trees by the Speed Merchant. It's a pretty straightforward deal here. All you do is slide this bad boy inside the neck of the bike right here. And now we want to go ahead and put on our top tree right there. Slide that on. And then our stem bolt. And we'll snug everything up after we're done. All right, so next I'm gonna go ahead and install this San Diego bar by Lucky Dave's on our Speed Merchant triple trees. The bushings that we're using are by Alloy Art. They're good and tight bushings. And we're gonna go ahead and slap a bolt up in here. Just get these finger tight real quick. And we'll go ahead and crank these down towards the end of the video. Or I might actually do it after the video is done. You guys don't need to see all that. I'm just trying to give you guys the gist of what I'm putting together here. So Speed Merchant triple trees, Lucky Dave's San Diego bar. I'll give you another shot of the controls. We got V-twin manufacturing controls. We got some mirrors by Alloy Art, some grips, we have grips and levers by Joker machine. And yep, so let's go ahead and put the fork legs on. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and slide on our first fork leg. Fork tubes by Custom Cycle Engineering. These are their hard chrome 39mm fork tubes. These are about 4 over the normal FXRP is usually 2 over stock. So we went with another, I think it's like 1.5 inches, but something close. So it's about 4 inches over. All the powder coating, again, North County powder coating in San Marcos, California. Big supporters of the Bagger Blog. They sponsored pretty much the entire build with free powder coat. So we have Roland Sands design fork dust caps. These are real cool looking dust caps. We got the Speed Merchant fork preload adjusters. Those are real cool. And the internals, we're using progressive suspension springs. We got a rebuild kit, the fork rebuild kit inside, courtesy of directcycleparts.com. Again, big supporters of the Bagger Blog. So let's go ahead and install this bad boy. One thing I love about these Speed Merchant triple trees, first and foremost, the improved geometry of the trees. They actually improve handling, especially if you have taller shocks in the back of your Dyna or FXR, like we plan on putting for this bike here. And then I also like they have 2 pinch bolts on each tree on each side, so added grip of your fork tube, that's always a plus. So let's go ahead and install the second fork tube. So let's go ahead and stick on the second fork tube. Some of you guys may be wondering why I decided to go with CCE's hard chrome as opposed to their show chrome. And the reason is wear and tear. I wasn't really concerned with the fork tubes being really shiny and whatnot. I was more concerned about function. So the hard chrome, the coating on it actually lasts a lot longer than on the CCE's show chrome. These don't look as shiny, but they last longer and they resist scratches a lot better than the chrome versions. So that's what I was really concerned about, and so that's ultimately why I decided to go with their hard chrome. And you can pick these up on CCE's website. They're one of the biggest manufacturers of fork tubes in the United States. They're made right here in Oceanside, California. I visited their facility. Quality is second to none. I've done video features on every single product you have here. So what we'll do now is we'll just start from the top, work our way down one more time in case you didn't get all the products that we used here. You'll be definitely familiar with them by the time we're done with this video. So obviously I haven't torqued any of these down after the video. You guys don't need to see all that, but I'll torque everything down to spec, make sure everything's nice and tight and safe. And then on the next episode, we'll feature some more goodies. So let's go ahead and start with what we got on the San Diego bars by Lucky Dave's. We've got controls by V-Twin Manufacturing. We did a video on there for all the different features on that item. Definitely check out that video there. V-Twin Manufacturing, really good controls. Everything looks nice. I mean, I can't tell the difference between these and the OEM controls. I'm really feeling them. They look nice. It's a nice update to the stock 92 controls. The grips that we got going here, these are Joker Machine grips. Really nice and comfortable. They have a nice knurled finish. Then we got some mirrors by Alloy Art. I refer to these as shooter mirrors, but apparently that's not what they're called. I'm not actually sure what the name of these are, but if you go to alloyart.com, you can pick these up. And then here's a nice little shot of the San Diego bar by Lucky Dave's. Proprietary 4-point bend. These are 14-inch. Really love them. Here's some more control. Here's another control shot right there. V-Twin Manufacturing, Joker Machine, Alloy Art up top. Moving further down, we have this is the top of the triple tree by the Speed Merchant. As you can see, we've got their preload fork preload adjusters in the black anodized version. Real nice piece, allows you to adjust the preload on your forks. CCE fork legs in their hard chrome. We got a video feature on that. We've got the Roland Sands fork dust caps, progressive suspension internals, and a fork rebuild kit courtesy of directcycleparts.com, and all of the powder coat, as you can see, nice shiny black, courtesy of North County Powder Coat. So I think I've hit everything. We have individual videos on each and every single part you see manufactured here. That's about it. I look forward to bringing you guys episode 5. Hopefully we can get that out pretty soon. Take it easy.